In your Spectra Abilities program, there are a total of 8 introductory courses to get you started and help train your staff. To begin your training, start with the introductory course on how to start a Special Abilities program. This course is specific to club owners and program managers. Let's say you've taken the first course on how to start a Special Abilities program and you now have a better sense of direction on the programs and services that you'd like to offer at your gym. Then you would want to start assigning your staff specific courses and deadlines for them to complete. The Introduction to Special Abilities is an introductory course designed to educate staff on a variety of developmental and intellectual disabilities. So here you see all of the different topics that are covered in this course. You would start with the introduction, and then you'd click on the video. This is an introductory course on developmental disabilities. So why should inclusion classes be offered? First, the factor of inevitability. It has so many benefits to the body and brain. Once that short video clip is finished, you click this button to the next chapter. At the top, there's some basic information to know about neurodiversity, and then you would watch the slideshow. Using socially acceptable language and terminology will be your first step towards creating an inclusive environment and culture. Neurodiversity is a term used to describe the differences in brain development across the human race. Avoid using labeling terms such as this person is disabled, labeling a person as autistic, or describing somebody's ability as being wheelchair bound. Next, we're going to go through the terminology for common developmental and intellectual disabilities that you will likely encounter. The video clips are short and give you and your staff some foundational information. In this introductory course, there are several videos that you can click on with a variety of topics. Once you've completed the course, you will be prompted to immediately take a short comprehension quiz. So here you'll see there are multiple choice questions. Any person who takes this course will be required to take this quick quiz. It is built in that all courses must be passed at 100%. Again, these are the 8 introductory courses. I will be adding additional courses that build upon this introductory information, but this is the core foundation of all the basic information that you and your staff will need to know as you get started. You also have an activity library. Here in the activity library, you have a variety of activities across the 3 modalities of social, recreational, and therapeutic. Here is an activity about using visual supports. It explains that visual supports are crucial for an individual's success. There are many ways that you can provide visual supports. Here are some examples of using arrows, hands, or actions. There's also stop, go, and slow signs that you can use as floor props, or there's educational posters that I recommend. Then down below here, you are given a video example of using visual supports. So this is an example of using visual supports throughout an obstacle course. As you can see, we've got some arrows. We have stop signs and weight mats. Additional hands and feet to show your students what to do. This helps them remember what skill they're supposed to be doing. Feet on the beam to remind them to walk.
another stop sign to show them when to stop, and then they go again.
Here are additional examples of using visual supports in class. And then that activity is complete. Here's another example from the activity library. This activity is called Show and Cheer. There's an overview description of the purpose of that, what the core concepts of the activity are, the developmental stage for your learners, instructions on how to play, and then there's a video.
During weeks 1 and 2, we will be doing another structured activity within your classes, and we're going to call that a show and cheer activity.
And then below here is a video example of how to play that activity.
So for our show and cheer, we are going to pretend like we're in the gym, and this is our obstacle course we're not able to fill.
And then the activity template gives you a list of any steps you need to take to prepare and the equipment needed. And then you can also have the option to have a self-assessment test. I hope you enjoyed your preview of the Spectra Abilities platform. Please let me know if you have any additional questions.